for the top leaders of the NDA and the opposition bloc to engage in yet another fiery and feisty debate in the lower house. On the first day in Parliament, the government put the facts on record on the floor of the House, which the opposition questioned the government on intel failure and the losses of military assets. Now today, what we are looking at is senior leaders of the NDA and the opposition bloc who are expected to address the Lok Sabha, while the debate is also set to begin in the Rajya Sabha today. Now in the Lok Sabha, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is expected to address the House at around noon, and the Prime Minister is likely also to address the Lok Sabha later in the evening, somewhere between 5 and 6 p.m. Now, on day one of the debate, it was Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh who led the charge for the government, where he reiterated that Operation Sindoor was not ended under pressure, but was paused by design upon fulfilling the politico-military objectives. Hitting back at the opposition, Rajnath Singh also asked, why don't they question about enemy casualties? Why do they keep asking about the losses that India incurred? Now, this was followed upon by External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, who made it clear that there was no conversation about trade whatsoever with the United States during Operation Sindoor. Further, he made it clear that there wasn't even a phone call between the US President and Prime Minister Modi from the day of the Pahalgam attack all the way till the 17th of June, more than a month after Operation Sindoor began. Now, the Home Minister soon made an intervention in the Parliament as well, where he accused the opposition of parroting the foreign fakery and putting their faith in a foreign leader and not as one who took oath as per the Indian Constitution. Amit Shah says that this is exactly why the opposition will remain there for the next 20 years as well.
कभी-कभी हमारे प्रतिपक्ष के लोग ये पूछते रहे हैं कि हमारे कितने विमान गिरे। मुझे लगता है उनका यह प्रश्न हमारी राष्ट्रीय जनभावनाओं का सही से प्रतिनिधित्व नहीं कर रहा है। मुझे लगता है उन्होंने एक बार भी हमसे यह नहीं पूछा कि हमारी सेनाओं ने दुश्मन के कितने विमान मारे गिराए।
Now I want to make two things very clear, sir. One, at no stage in any conversation with the United States was there any linkage with trade and what was going on. Secondly, there was, please listen. Secondly, there was no call between the Prime Minister and President Trump from the 22nd of April, when President Trump called up to convey his sympathy, and the 17th of June, when he called up Prime Minister in Canada to explain why he could not meet.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मेरी एक बात की आपत्ति है। भारत देश का शपथ लिया हुआ विदेश मंत्री यहाँ स्टेटमेंट कर रहा है, उस पर भरोसा नहीं है, उनको किसी और देश पर भरोसा है। मैं समझ सकता हूं उनकी पार्टी में विदेश का महत्व क्या है, मगर इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है पार्टी की सारी चीजें यहाँ सदन में आकर थोपे। भारत के विदेश मंत्री पर भरोसा नहीं करोगे? ओथ लिया हुआ व्यक्ति यहाँ पर बोल रहा है, ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, इसीलिए ये वहां बैठे हैं और 20 साल तक वहीं बैठने वाले हैं।
Now, even though the government's message is loud and clear that Operation Sindoor was precise, was powerful and purposeful, and that India still holds the upper hand against Pakistan, the Congress still continue to question the government over intel failure and the whereabouts of the Pahalgam terrorists and how many jets were brought down. Now, these were the others as well who went on to suggest bizarre ways of taking on Donald Trump and as far as his continuous claims on getting a ceasefire understanding between India and Pakistan through trade is concerned.
वे 26 लोग जो जिनके परिवारों में आज कोई गुजर गया, वे ये भी जानना चाहता है कि 100 दिन गुजर गए और वे 5 दहशतगर्दियों को ये सरकार पकड़ नहीं पाई। आज हमें स्पष्ट रूप से आदरणीय राजनाथ सिंह जी बताएं, देश पर विश्वास करें, देश में वो साहस है सच्चाई सुनने की। आज आप बताएं कितने लड़ाकू जहाज गिरे।
और मैं आपसे भी कहना चाहता हूं, आपको भी रास्ता चुनना होगा, या तो आंख दिखाओ या हाथ मिलाओ, या तो बातचीत करके अमेरिका से संबंध सुधारो और डोनाल्ड को चुप कराओ, डोनाल्ड का मुंह बंद कराओ, नहीं तो हिंदुस्तान में मैकडोनाल्ड को बंद कराओ। अमेरिका को अधिकार नहीं है, दोनों घोड़ों पे सवार होकर चलने का अधिकार नहीं है।
All right, let's get on a word from Tejasri now. Of course, a team of reporters will be there on ground throughout the day as we'll be getting you the live insights on what's expected to